For this quick and easy raw vegan strawberry yogurt recipe, place 2 cups frozen strawberries in a medium sized bowl. Let it sit on your counter to defrost for about 6 hours and add 2 dashes of cinnamon. Stir to coat each strawberry with this sweet spice. If you like pieces of strawberries in your yogurt, slice 2 strawberries in half and set aside. Add the bowl of strawberries to your high speed blender along with 2.5 frozen banana chunks, 1/8 of a teaspoon vanilla powder, and blend until creamy. Starting on low and gradually cranking up the speed to high. Creamy. Pour back into the same bowl that initially held the strawberries. Add 1 tablespoon freshly ground flax seeds, stirring slowly and carefully to combine. This gives the yogurt more flavor and additional creaminess. Yum! Add the strawberries on top. Eat right away. This raw vegan yogurt is creamy, slightly tart, and subtly sweet. What you expect from a yummy strawberry yogurt. I hope you give this recipe a try. Recipe in the YouTube description below. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.